Morning everyone, welcome to Evergreen Channel. I'm here with Bobby, Juju, and Milo, and of course Mirna. We're going to meet Rocky in their house and play with the babies at the park. See you later. We're waiting for the grab pad. See you later, guys. And we're already in the grab taxi. Say hi. Milo, it's your first time to take a grab. This is Juju. Juju. Me and Bobby. Yeah. Bobby boy is like a tourist guy. You want to see? Parang uulan ka. Ako po. Sana wag naman. Madilim ang langit, guys. Sayang ang plano pag umulan. Sana mamaya pa ulan. Ayan. Kung na-start na tayo maulan, di wala tayong choice. Oh, they're very excited. They want to go up now. Wait for Rocky here. Wait for Rocky. Okay? Don't be too excited, okay? Excited! Rocky! Where's Rocky? Oh! Where are the... Where's Rocky? Where's Rocky? Huh? Rocky! Hello, Rocky! Hello, excited! Let's go! Ayan na ang ulan! Delikado! Ulan na guys! Ayan! Running na! Naku po! Naku po! Ayan, excited baby! Come on, dali! Dali! It's the wrong timing, guys! It's raining! Malayo ba? Okay, go! Hey! It's raining! Naku po! Ayan. It's raining, guys! It's raining! Wala na! Naku! Wrong timing tayo! Wrong timing! It's raining! Juju, Bobby! It's raining, guys! Bakit ito? Nandito na kami. Wag lang ano. Hala! Hala! Wag lang kumidlat. Ay, guys! Mulan! Mulan! It's raining, guys! It's raining! It's raining! Woo! Camp Road Interim Park. Ayan. Ayan. Excited! It's raining, guys! Ayan. Nagdala ka ba ng bola? Huwag mo nang punasan. Huwag mo nang punasan. Ayan, oh, guys, it's raining. Tanto kami sa park, kaso nga lang umuulan. Kaya ang mga baby ay nagpapahinga na nahihinto para makapag-play kami. Wrong timing, guys, kasi umuulan. Ayan, yan si Milo, si Bobby, si Rocky, si Juju, si Mirna, si Ria, at ako. Tignan natin to. May maraming mga oregano dito, guys. Oh. Oregano. Evolution of Tangling Bara. So we are here at Camp Road Interim Park. Oh, ito. May dogran. May dogran sila dito. Kaya kami nandito. Ayan. Ito mga oregano, guys. Oregano. Ha? May. Ayan. namin guys is umuulan. Ayan. Ang mga aso. Umuulan pa. Tapos ayun sa kabila. May ibang view tayo. Ito, ayan. Saan? Oh, sinong uinom? Juju, wanna drink water? Nang? Inom, tubig. Ayan, kung nakakit, hindi tali na. Ayan, sige. Ayan. Happy baby. Sige, taway na. Bola, nasan bola? Nakakita agad ng bola, diba? Bola! Oh. Dito may bola siya, oh. Madumi yan. Hoy! Ayan na. Ayan, sige. Run. Oh, sige. Jojo. Bitawan mo kasi yung nasa bunganga mo. Diyos ko ka. Alisin mo yung madumi. Paano mo makukuha yung bagong laruan? Sige. Hala, sige. Hala, sige. Hala. Ayan. Hanap ng mga babies. Ang hinihintay pala. Alisin mo yung ano, alis sa bunganga niya. Alisin mo yung ano, bola, alisin mo. Hindi interesado, basta mag-play ng bola. Jojo, go. Street, oh. Tumakbo agad. Okay. Bitawan mo yung bola. Good job. Ay, hindi pa rin niya binitawan. Kasi gusto pa rin yung bola. Bobby? Si Bobby, nabigyan na ba? Ay, una, ubos na. Oh, slowly do, Bobby, ah. Paano ka kakain, Jojo? Bitawan mo yung oh, yung isa kumakain na. Yung isa, yung bola nasa bunganga pa rin. Ano ka maglalaro niyan? Ayan. Hindi siya interesado. Oy! Hindi yan sa'yo, Milo! Bobby! Natatawa ako. Yung isa lagaw, yung isa hindi pa nakakain. Hindi siya interesado sa pagkain kung may bola. Kahit ipahulmul mo yan. You think manloloko ma ako? Sabi niya. Bitawan mo yung kamay. Bitawan yung kamay. Pakita mo kamay mo sa akin. Kamo. Nagtatago ka, kamo. Tinatago ko sa likod. And guys, truth time, mga Paborito nila yan. Na namin umuwi kasi tanghali na. And pagod ng aming mga aso. Kung kailan kami uuwi, wala nang ulan. Ayan. Ito pa rin ang aso ko. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. See you again to our next live. Pabalik kami dito guys pa yung yung walang ulan. Ayan. Have a great day everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless. Mwah. Kami guys. Aso ko pagod na. Ayan. Si Rocky, si Milo. We're going home. Napagod ang mga babies. Nabasak na sila. Galing kami doon sa park na yun. Ayan. We are going home. Tapos na ang ulan. Pagod na rin ang mga aso ko. Mga aso namin. Mauna kayo. Sige. Ayan si Rocky, si Milo. Basa. Ayan. Nag-enjoy mga aso kasi may dog run doon. Ayan, si Bobby at Jujo. Ayan. Pagod na yan. Sigurado mamaya matutulog. Ayan, si Rocky, parang basahan. Ayan. Uwi na kami guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, ganda dito. Oo. Bye. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bobby want to stay here in this Tanglin Rise 5A. Oh, you want to stay? Oh, Bobby also. You want to go back there? It's not your house, baby boy. Juju, where you going? Oh my God. Carl and Chris, oh, look at them all. They want to stay here. You want to stay here with Rocky? This is not your house, baby. We're going home now. We're going home to 27 Grains Road. Okay, tell your daddy you want to stay here. So that we need to look for Rocky all the time. Okay? Want to stay here? And run every day? So that you need to go for a walk for a long time? Long time? Come on, go. Go! Waiting for the car. Grab it. Waiting for the grab it.